I think we have seen about the chapter number 2, components of food, in the previous video. I think till fats we have completed. Okay. Anyway, just to summarize the concept which we have learned before video. That is chapter 2, components of food, and we have seen about the 6 components of food. That is carbohydrate, proteins, fats, vitamins, minerals, water, and roughage. So these are all the 6 components of food. And in that, we have seen about carbohydrates and fats are energy giving foods, proteins or bodybuilding foods, and then fats also energy giving food. Carbohydrates and fats are energy giving food, proteins are bodybuilding food, vitamins and minerals are protective foods, because though it requires in a very minute amount, it will protect against diseases. And then water and roughage is also very important. Okay, so now today's class we are going to move with vitamins, and before that we have seen about how to test the presence of carbohydrate in the food sample, how to test the presence of protein in the food sample. We have learned, I have demonstrated, I have shown you the pictures also while in the class. Yes or no? That is, if carbohydrate, so with the help of iodine solution, if it turns into blue black color, then we can conclude that that is, the starch is present in the food item, or we can say that the carbohydrate is present in the food items. Okay, what we are having, what you have 8. Then proteins, if you are adding caustic soda, that is, caustic soda means common name is sodium hydroxide, that is a salt. Okay, so plus copper sulfate, if these two are added, if we get violet color, that indicates the presence of protein in the food. Okay, and then how do you conclude fat? With the help of the butter paper, if we have that oil, desiccated coconut, with the help of that. Okay, do you remember? No, so that is the presence of fats. Okay, so now coming to vitamins. As I already told you, vitamins are very important for our body in order to fight against the diseases, but it will require only in a very trace amount or minute amount only. But if that is also not there, we'll be getting some of the diseases. Okay, here we have here in the table it is given only what are the vitamins, different types of vitamins, chemical name and the function. Where do we get these vitamins? Sources are given. Okay, in the coming classes we'll be seeing about the deficiency diseases of this vitamins also. Okay, so now, so you must have heard that elders say that it is good to eat fruits and vegetables. Okay, do you know why? It is because fruits and vegetables are good sources of vitamins. So a nutrient required in small quantity which develop immunity and prevent the occurrence of diseases. Okay, that is, we need vitamin in order to develop our immunity. Okay, and also to get fight against with the diseases. But that too we require only a small quantity. Okay, and then as I already told you, carbohydrates are the composed of the molecules called carbon, hydrogen, and oxygen. I have told you in the class itself. And then if it is protein, carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, and nitrogen. If it is a fat, again carbon, hydrogen, oxygen. But if it is a vitamin, what are the compounds are present in the vitamin? Or what are the elements are present in the vitamin? Carbon, hydrogen, oxygen, and nitrogen. Along with that, phosphorus, sulfur, and cobalt in a very little amount. Okay, so these are called vitamins. Now, these vitamins are classified into 2 groups based on their solubility. Okay, one is, if the vitamins are soluble in fat, we can say that fat soluble vitamins. If the vitamins are soluble in water, we can say that water soluble vitamin. Okay, fat soluble vitamins are again further classified into vitamin A, B, E, and K. Water soluble vitamins are further classified into vitamin B complex and C. Vitamin B complex, it is in the sense we'll be having vitamin B1, B2, B5, B12, B7 also. Okay, yeah. And then what are the some common vitamins, functions, doses? Vitamin A, chemical name is retinol. What is the function? Keeps our eyes and skin healthy. What is the source? Green leafy vegetable and carrot. Vitamin B complex. B1, vitamin B1 is thiamine, vitamin B2 is riboflavin, vitamin B12 is cyanocobalamin. Once if we are adding on it one more, vitamin B5 is pyridoxine. Okay, it's an extra. Pyridoxine. 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 Okay, and it helps in normal functioning of the body and whole grains, fresh foods, milk products, and meat. And next vitamin is vitamin C. The chemical name is called ascorbic acid. What is the function? It gives strength to the body and fight against the infections and diseases. And also main thing, it is very useful for to strengthen our gums, the teeth. Okay. Next, orange, guava, tomato, lemon, amla, green leafy vegetables, all the sources of vitamin C. Next, coming to vitamin D, calciferol. Calciferol, okay, helps our body to use calcium for bones and teeth. Example, milk, butter, egg, fish, sunlight, green leafy vegetables. Then vitamin E, tocopherol. It protects our body cells from damage. Example, that is what are the sources? Vegetable oils, milk, butter, and whole grains. Then vitamin K, phylloquinone, helps in clotting of blood. Leafy vegetables, broccoli, cabbage, liver, meat are the sources of this vitamin K. That's all about vitamin. Final time, one more. I'll be read only the chemical name of the vitamins. Okay, now please listen it very carefully. Vitamin A, retinol. Vitamin B complex, in that B1 is thiamine. B1, thiamine. B2, riboflavin. B12, cyanocobalamin. Okay. Now B5, what did I say you already? Pyridoxine. B5, pyridoxine. Then vitamin C, ascorbic acid. Vitamin D, calciferol. Vitamin E, tocopherol. Vitamin K, phylloquinone. Okay. So that's all for the today's class. Thank you, children.